In this video, I'm going to show you how to show sub-items on a timeline in monday.com. So what you'll need to do first is simply go navigate to the board that you want to do that into. I'm just going to this board exactly. So of course, to display like the sub-item on the timeline, basically you will need to enable and configure the timeline or grant basically view to include the sub-items. So once you open your board, you'll have to go under each parent item. As example, this one I already have some sub-items into. If you want to create sub-items example on any other option, you can just go and do so. So once you hover like an item, you'll find this icon, which will expand this item, and you'll be able to create sub-items if you don't know how. So basically sub-items, you'll be able to add a timeline or date column. So we can, for me, as example, this one, I already have a timeline, but let's say I don't have it. So how to show it? You can just go, if you don't have it like yet, you'll be able to add it. Go and click on add, and you'll be able to add a timeline, and you'll be able to set some date. And how to show it? Basically, just go and expand whatever parent item, and you'll be able to find sub items in the timeline of it if you already have it. If you don't, you'll have to go and add it as I showed you right now. Now, as an example, once the timeline is added, you'll be able, as an example, to click on add view in here. So once you click on add view, you will have to go and choose the grant option or Gantt option. Once you choose Gantt option, as example, here you should find like timeline, and you'll be able to enable sub items on the timeline. Once enabled, the timeline example bars for sub items will appear nested under their parent items. So, for example, I have here some items, and I'll be able to click on customize, as you can see right here. Once I click on customize on the widget settings, as you can see, timeline column, you'll find here sub item column, and make sure just to enable this this timeline option. And from here, example, if you have it enabled, you will be able to see the basically sub item on this timeline right here. So that's about it. That's how you show sub items on timeline in monday.com. If you have any question, leave it down below in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out.